right, so real quick, let's cover some shoe considerations when hiking, right? You know, it's a very personal decision. There's a lot of us that are minimalists that recommend using something that has a zero drop elevation in your heel and you know, has minimal padding, and we have our arguments and reasons for that. But then some people are die-hard hiking boots and hiking shoes people, and I think it's perfectly fine. I think the most important thing is you want to choose something that's broken in for the hike, right? You don't want to wear brand new shoes or hiking boots on a hike because you're going to get blisters, all right? It's going to be very uncomfortable. You're just going to open yourself up to having some injuries, all right? So whatever it is that you choose, make sure that you choose boots or shoes that are well broken in. If you're excited about a new pair of hiking boots or a new pair of shoes, then I would wear those around town and break them in for, you know, at least 10 or 15 or 20 miles. Get some walking time in so that you can get your feet used to those shoes before going out on a long hike. If you wear socks, make sure that you're wearing wool or synthetic socks, because these are going to lend themselves less to causing some blisters versus cotton socks.